Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can join someone without being friends in Roblox. So let's say you know their username and you know which game they are playing. You can easily join them with a simple trick. Now, I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to Google Chrome or your preferred website and open up roblox.com. Now here you sign into your existing account and we want to open up a different tab. Now here simply Google restore old Roblox server list, as you can see right here. Now you simply open this up, and what you want to do is you want to actually add this to Chrome right here. So simply press add extension. Now what this does, it creates a extension on your Chrome website. Now simply go to Roblox back again, and from there we want to refresh the page. Now what this does, it enables the extension to be active. Now let's say you know the username of a player that you want to join the server in, a YouTuber, a streamer, or someone else that you just don't that you know but you don't have in your friend list. Now I'm going to use someone in my friend list just to show you that it works. Now I'm going to copy this username, so copy it, go to the extension right here and open up restore old server list. Now here we have the player username. Here simply paste this inside the thing, and from there we can exit this out. Let's check if it works. Press autoserve, and from there go into the server that they're playing. Now here we have the garden of Ben RP. Now this is what they're currently playing. Now let's say it's a streamer, he's live and you know the game, so simply go there. What this does when you go to the servers right here is, as you can see here, is his name. The user was found on the server of page 2. So we can simply go to page 2, and from there what we want to do, here go to page 2, is look for the server. And as you can see here we have the guy playing Roblox in the same server, and we can simply press join and it will be automatically joined. Now from there you can join everyone you know but don't have as a friend with this easy method. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.